Now we're going to discuss about a topic called enzymes. Okay. Now you know enzymes are said to be the biological catalyst. Biological catalyst. So for every activity in our body, there is an enzyme. Okay. For example, saliva. We have a salivary amylase enzyme that help to degrade the food particles, the food that we absorb in the process of digestion. We have various digestion in the sense like chewing, because it starts from our mouth, right? So once we chew, if there is chewing of food, okay, it's just breaking down of food, the complex food particle into simpler food particles. So our saliva usually help to break down glucose. Say salivary amylase. So in saliva you will get this enzyme called as salivary amylase. Very important enzyme. So I can say that all the enzymes are proteinoid. That's why we say the first, always proteinaceous in nature. The enzymes that is in our body for various activity, okay, like just say for the process of any process that occurs in us, okay, like glycolysis. In the process of glycolysis, you will find many enzymes, okay, like fructose kinase, okay, glucose isomerase. So all those enzymes are nothing but protein. They help in a system, in a chemical reaction that is happening in our body, okay, the chemical process that is happening in our body, and that has to be catalyzed, that has to be held without going any changes, okay. So enzymes are said to be, that's why, a biological catalyst. They don't, they usually work at a very lower activation energy. They need low activation energy. So AE is nothing but activation energy. Optimum temperature. They have their own specific temperature. For example, I have one enzyme. They work like trypsin. Okay, its pH is just say that. Sorry, temperature. I'm talking about temperature. Okay, so many enzymes, they work at a specific temperature. They have their optimum temperature. If it goes beyond that, then this enzyme does not function. Okay. Like take polymerase. I'll take one example. Take polymerase is an enzyme, and they can survive even after 90 degrees Celsius. Okay. So these are usually used in genetic engineering. I'm just taking an example of the other courses, but from there also we can understand that the optimum temperature for the enzyme to work, there is a optimum temperature. Beyond that, they don't work. Okay. Normally, in our body, for example, our human body temperature, our optimum body temperature is required to function. Okay. So optimum temperature, our body has a optimum temperature. Beyond that, even we don't survive. It means that our enzymes also require optimum temperature to function. Okay. So extremely sensitive to pH. If the pH is very high, pH neutral, it is 7, acidic, right? We have basic, right? So pH to work, for enzymes to function, to work, their pH also should be maintained. Okay, like trypsin, it works at 7.7 pH. Okay, so like even our blood is neutral, right? It has a neutral pH, right? So these are some of the 4 important properties of your enzymes. We have different kinds of enzymes, okay, that will be available in your book. Okay, one of the enzyme is oxidoreductase. Types of enzymes, okay, reductase. We have transferase, we have hydrolase, okay, we have just say lyase, ligase, okay. Ligase means joining, okay, they help for joining. 6 isomerase. Isomerase, like they help for changing the structure, different forms, okay. So these are the various forms of the types of enzymes that will be available in our living system, types of enzymes. Okay, oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolase, lyase, ligase, and isomerase. Okay. In this chapter, the chapter of biomolecules, we discuss the types of amino acids. We discuss the properties of amino acids. We discuss essential, non-essential amino acids. We discuss fatty acids. We discuss on nucleic acids. Okay, types of nucleic acid, that is your DNA and RNA. We discuss the structure of protein, the different forms of protein, and a brief information about the enzymes. Okay, so with this, I would like to complete this chapter. I will be uploading the assignment. So before doing for assignment, please observe the video properly. Try to understand the concept, and if there is any doubt, please feel free and contact in a WhatsApp number, or you can send me messages, okay, or you can call me personally. See you soon. Take care, grade 11 student.